In this demo, we'll see how to create and use a client variable in OutSystems. We already have here a small application with two screens, the Employees and Employee Detail screen. Let's see these screens in the browser. Clicking on one of the employees' name, we can see more detailed information and also edit that information. After editing it, the information can then be saved in the database. Now, let's go back to vODC Studio and start working with client variables. To add a client variable, switch to the Data tab. We can add new and find existing client variables under the folder with the same name. We already have here a few client variables, but let's create a new one. This new client variable will be used as a search keyword in the Employees screen. Now, on the Employees screen, let's add an input and bind it to the client variable we just created. Binding variables to inputs can be easily done by drag and drop. This is the same as setting the variable property of the input. With the input we just created, let's set the onChange event to refresh the list of employees. The final step is to actually use the client variable in the aggregate. For that, we'll add a new filter to the aggregate to filter the employees based on the search keyword. This expression will filter the results based on the employee name, surname, occupation, city, state, and country. Let us publish the changes, and then test it on the browser. Setting a search keyword will immediately refresh the list of employees. Selecting an employee will navigate to the Details screen. If we change the state to Georgia, and save the changes, we can see that Leanne Hale is no longer showing up on the list, and the list is still filtered using our search keyword. Let us now close the browser, and open it again. As we can see, the search keyword is still set, even after closing the browser and opening it again.